Hello everyone, and this is the love reading for zodiac sign of Capricorn. And this may not resonate with every one of you, but please take whatever resonates with you. And so let's begin now. First of all, I'll take out the love messages for you and your person, Capris. So please give me the love message for the Capris. This is for the Capris, and the love message for your person. Okay. So the love message for you, Capris, is trust. Transformation occurs through acceptance. Only once you accept the current situation, it will automatically transform. And for your person, as you look inside yourself, examine what is causing you to feel this way. So I think there are some sort of trust issues here, Capris, and your person is supposed to look inside and see what's causing this fear here. So I'm going to start, and let's see what we have for you, Capris. What is the love message? First, I'll take out the cards for you. What is the love message for the Capris here? Capricornians, let's see what we have for you. What is the love message for the Capris here? Okay, so this is your recent past. This is your present moment. This is your near future. This is your challenge, and this could be your advice. Alright, Capris, these are your cards, and in the recent past you have 6 of Wands. So there was a lot of victory, success for you in the recent past, and you celebrated it. This was individual success. You were very good at something and you achieved a lot of success and a lot of praise for yourself. You can see this wreath here. This is 6 of Wands, which is a card of success and victory. So you're victorious. Now in the present moment you have 3 of Swords here. So there is some sort of disconnection, there is some sort of heartbreak, some sort of suffering, some sort of pain, because 3 of Swords is all about suffering, pain, and you also have 3 of Swords here. That means there could be a third party situation, and which led to the heartbreak. So you're coming out of this heartbreak in the present moment with the 3 of Swords here. Now in the near future you have the Strength card. This is a Leo card, and you can see this woman opening the mouth of a tiger. So you will overcome all the obstacles. If you meditate on Strength card, you should tap into your energy. You will be brave, you will be courageous in the near future, and you will overcome all the obstacles. This is the Leo season, the Leo energy here. Now in the in your challenges you have the 9 of Wands. So you have given up on something, you have accepted defeat on the relationships. There's some trust issues in your relationship, Capris, and you have given up on the situation kind of. And in your challenge you have the 7 of Swords, which means that yes, there is definitely trust issue. There are trust issues between you and your person, and this is a card of deception, this is a card of lies, this is a card of cheat. So it advises that please do not adopt these means of lies, cheat, deception, deceiving. Please don't do this, Capris, because you have definitely here the trust issues. Maybe somebody else broke your trust. Somebody else broke your trust and cheated on you. I don't know. So now let's see for your person, because it says look inside yourself and examine what is causing you to feel this way. Excuse me. So your person first has to see what they are feeling and why they are feeling so. They are feeling very insecure, it seems. And Capris, come out of the confusion, come out of the chaos. I think you will be able to come out of the chaos because of the Strength card here. Okay. Now let's see what your person has. Okay. Okay, so in the present moment, in the near In the recent past, you have the Four of Pentacles for your person. In the present moment, you have the Knight of Cups here. In the near future, you have the Page of Swords in the reverse here. Okay. Now, in the challenge, you have the Ace of Cups here, and in the advice, you have the Page of Pentacles here. Okay, Capri, so in the recent past, your partner was holding on to something. They were holding on to, maybe you had trust issues, so they were holding on certain aspect of your relationship. They were wanting to control, maybe. But in the recent past, in the present moment, Knight of Cups, so they are ready to offer you love. They have love for you, but this person is could be very flirtatious. He or she is not stable. They may be quite in and out of your life. Wishy-washy kind of situation is there. With the Knight of Cups, they can be flirtatious. They could be offering love to you. And in the near future, you have the Page of Swords. So Page of Swords is like, you are not getting the right information regarding this person, and this person is not telling you the right things. Maybe they are hiding certain things from you. They are not giving you the real picture. So that is why you are not able to come out of the confusion, not able to decide about the future of the relationship. Now in the challenge, you have the Ace of Cups here. I think this person has a lot of love for you. They do have love for you. They do are looking for a partnership. They do want a loving relationship. They do want to love. They do want to offer love to you. So this is the challenge. But I think they are not trusting the situation. And in the advice, you have the Page of Pentacles here. So this person is very immature, and they are very childish kind of, because here also you have two pages are here, Page of Swords and Page of Pentacles. So they are not ready. I mean, they are not very mature, they are not stable, they are not grounded. So you are not able to decide, Capris, how to go about the relationship. So that is why it is saying, look inside yourself. So examine what is causing you. So they also need to analyze themselves, Capris, what they want. Okay, so I think you could be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sag, Libra, Aquarius, Gemini also. You could be dealing with the Libra, Aquarius. There's also Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio is also there, very strong. So there could be Aquarius also. But this person is very immature, and they are not able to, they are not doing any groundwork. They are not telling you the truth also. They are confused themselves, I think, and they are working on something. They need to work on something. Maybe they are concentrating on their work. And there are also trust issues between you two. So you need to clear all this and come out of the confusion, Capri. So this is what I have for you. Thank you for tuning in, and bye-bye.